Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going out on the bike. As you can see, we've got the top box and the side panniers on the bike as well. So that means we're doing something a little bit different. So if you want to know what this video is all about, stick around and you'll find out. But before we do that, let's roll that intro. Okay, so we're out and about. We're actually just going for a ride, but during the ride we've got a little bit of something to show you. I want to ask a couple of questions of you. So the first question is, who wears different jackets at different times of the year? Or do you just put on a jacket and it doesn't matter? Well, this is presuming you ride all year round. You put on a jacket and it doesn't matter whether it's freezing, whether it's raining, whether it's, I know, unusual, but whether it's really warm, sunny. Do you wear one jacket fits all, or do you change your jacket depending on the year? Time of year, sorry. And I can tell you that I change the jacket depending on the time of year. If you're the same, then this will be of interest to you. Okay, Clohan, which we've seen before. So we're back. Now that we're back, let's carry on with this conversation. So we left this off where I was talking about different jackets for different times of the year, different weather. If you've watched this channel before, you'll know that I did a review a while back on the Knox Urbane Pro Under Armour jacket. So the cat's out the bag. This is what I want to talk to you about today. Okay, the Knox Urbane Pro, and as you know, I bought one and I've never wore it yet. I've always been kind of thinking, well, what do I wear it with, when can I wear it, and how good is it compared to, say, some of the stuff that I already wear, like this RST jacket. So this RST jacket is Sin Aqua. As you know, I did a bit of a thing on this as well. It's 100% waterproof. It has a lining to keep you warm in the winter. It has double A protection in the elbows and the shoulders and the back. And as you know, if you watch this channel, you know that I actually wear this for a lot of the time when it's cold. You can't wear this when it gets too hot, but I wear this when it's cold, and I wear it when it's wet. So enter the Knox under jacket. So if you remember, look back at the video if you're not certain, but the Knox Armoured Urbane Pro jacket has AA, I think, rated body armour. It has abrasion resistant mesh, and it does everything and protects everything that a leather jacket would, or this jacket would. What we're doing today is coming out and testing the Knox under jacket with different over jackets to see if actually it is as good to wear as a normal jacket. Believe it or not, I'm actually wearing the Knox jacket under the RST 100% waterproof jacket. Now, we're 17 degrees today, which if you live in Ireland, you know that that is fairly warm for the time of year. I am very warm, and if it was anything below 17, I would be snug, extremely so. But at 17, to me, that's maybe not to a lot of people, but to me that's quite a warm day. So we've put the jacket on because I wanted you to see that wearing this, just like if I was wearing this normally, underneath here is AA rated elbow, shoulder and back protectors. And if it was too hot, I could quite easily change this over and wear something a bit lighter over the top. This will do as a bit of B-roll footage. I'm now going to remove this jacket and put on a different jacket. And here we are with a quick change. I'm now wearing the same level of protection, and instead of the hot jacket, the waterproof jacket, I'm now wearing a denim hoodie with the Knox body armour underneath, and I can tell you 19 degrees it's showing now. This is so cool. And what you can do, if it was the summer and you live in Ireland, then there's every chance that you're going to go from summer weather to rain. They do say the difference between summer and winter in Ireland is the rain is a bit warmer in the summer. So you could be out midsummer with a nice light jacket, or even just the Knox jacket on its own, and it starts to rain. What do you do? Well, what I would do is carry a light. I have at home a very light waterproof jacket and trousers, and you can then put on your lightweight waterproof if you get caught in a shower. Take it off again once the shower's gone. So the good thing is you can layer up with anything you want to. If it fits over the top of this Knox, then there is no problem in wearing it. That's a couple of options. I hope you're enjoying what I'm doing. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button for me and share it with your mates. Okay. We're now on jacket number 3. As you can see, we're now wearing that lumberjack shirt, jacket number 3, just like the other one, to be honest. Maybe a little bit warmer because it's fleece lined or wool lined, but very similar to the other one. So I'm going to stop here, and we're just having one last look. Jacket number 4. Jacket number 4. The Urbane Pro on its own. I'm hoping now that between the cameras and the mic that we've picked this up nicely and you've been able to see exactly what I've been doing. What's your opinion on this? Would you buy one if you had the chance? So if you enjoy what I'm doing, if you like this video about the Knox Urbane Pro, then give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share this with the people you know.